Hello guys, welcome back to SBTech channel. Today I'm going to be discussing about data mining, and I'm going to be basing my discussion on how to secure your accounts and also how to recover access to your accounts. You understand? So at the course of this video, I'll be sharing you my experience, you understand, and how I was able to transfer my account that was on the other phone to this place and it was successful. You understand? So if you are seeing this video for the first time and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. And also you can go ahead to like the video if you find it helpful, and also do well to share this video. And also do well to be a subscriber to SBTech channel if you have not actually subscribed to SBTech channel. And turn on your notification bell, put it on all to get notified when next I make a post. So this is actually my experience on data mining. Now this is my account, one of the accounts that I just created. I lost actually two of my accounts because I failed to have access to them anymore. Reason because the first account I created, I logged out without having my security cycle. That was the issue. Now the second account I created, I only had my first account to be my security cycle, of which I made a video about it. So knowing the fact that I can't have access to my first account, it simply means my second account, I was trying to have access to it by clearing my storage and inputting the first account, unknown to me that I just made a big mess and a big mistake. So that's how I lost two of my accounts, and now this is the third account that I have. So nonetheless, I don't pray it will happen to anybody. Just be careful with it. So one thing I observe about data mining is that one, there is no way you can actually ask for forgotten password except through your security cycle. Your security cycle are to be your trustee, those people you trust that can help you provide access. You understand? There is a 6-digit code that you need for you to have access to it. Even if you are trying to transfer the account you have from one device to another device, maybe you bought a new phone, or maybe you had two phones and you wish to transfer it to the other phone, maybe due to space and all of that, you have to undergo this process. So I'll be saying everything at the course of this video. Now, to get your security cycle, in order to have people as your security cycle, the first thing you need to do is to come over to menu option. Now this is the menu option here at the screen beneath. You just follow this arrow carefully. So this is the menu option. You click on this menu option and then you click on security cycle. So this security cycle, this is it. What you need to do is you click on add manually. So over here you see is only there is no DID anymore, rather only mobile number. So you need a mobile number to be a security cycle. You understand? So if you want me to be part of your security cycle, you understand, you have to ensure you use this mobile number, which I'll be displaying on the screen. So you make this number to be part of your security cycle. Now, having it in mind that before you make someone your security cycle, the person must be a trustee, number one. Number two, the person must be active. These are person that you are very sure will be actively mining. You understand? Not someone that may forgo his account or one thing or the other, and the person you can't, even if you chat up the person, you discover that you can't actually have access to your account because maybe at some reason or for one reason or the other, the person was inactive to provide you your security code. So over here where you see this appellation, you understand, you can just put in a name. You understand? So you can be using this name. You can use SBTech. You understand? It's still fine. You can use Senator Bless. You understand? Which is my WhatsApp nickname or username there. You can use it, and then you click on submit. So immediately you click on submit, you have actually added me as part of your security cycle. And whenever at some point you need your password, you just need to chat me up, and you understand, I will provide it for you. Now, to find those that you have actually added to be your security cycle, in order for me to provide you the password, You understand? The 6-digit password to your account. What I need to do is to come to provide security. You understand? So Victoria Apan is my security cycle provide this is where I can get my code. You understand? What I need to do is just to go over to your own this thing. I'll go over to your own profile. Let's assume you have added me as your security cycle person where you can actually get your code. What I need to do is just to go over to your profile and double click. I'll double click on sister provider, sister Victoria. You understand? I'll click on it 2 times and then the 6-digit code will display. So that is how you can be able to have access to your account. Now have it in mind that data mining, there is no email where you can do forgotten password. There is no way of you contacting that customer service. The only way to have access to your account is through your security cycle. You understand? It's through your security cycle. And for that your security cycle to have access to your code, the security cycle person will have to enter this provide security option and then double tap on your this thing on your profile. Double tap on it. When after double tapping on it, the code will be displayed. Now you can see this notification up here where you see a new version has been created. Now a lot of people are actually saying for you to have access to the new this thing, you just need to download. After downloading, you uninstall the first app. You don't need to do that. You understand? You don't need to do that. Now look at what you need to do. You click on this view. If this is your page, this is what is showing for you. You click on this view, or rather than clicking on view, you can actually go through their website link or page to download the app again. You understand? So I'll be doing that right now. This is it. You just go to data.kim.en/download. So everything will be found on the description of my video. So you have to click on this APK. You understand? Since you are using Android phone, you click on APK and afterwards you download it from there. So be very careful while making people your security cycle. Ensure the people those people are trusted. Ensure that those people are people you can have access to. You understand? So after downloading is completed, you don't need to uninstall the former account. You just need to go over to this part and click on install without uninstalling the other accounts. Okay? So with it, you have actually updated your app and everything is working finally. So the next thing I have to say, which should be the last thing you need to know about data mining, is this. In order for you to get access to your account, ensure that your SIM card is still available with you, because you cannot use another SIM to send message for them to uninstall or for them to grant you access to the account that you are trying to get back. Let's assume you were able to get your 6-digit code, right, from your security provider, which are the people that you added to be your security cycle, and then you get to a stage where you have to click on get code and all of those, and they provide you a message and a number for you to choose amongst those numbers in order to forward those messages to. You understand? Just like your registration. So you cannot use, if you use your SIM1 to create an account and then you're trying to have access back to that account, you cannot use SIM2 to forward that message. You have to go back and use that SIM1. That is, the same number you use during your registration, you have to be active with you. It has not been blocked or buried by your network provider. Otherwise, you cannot have access to your data mining. So that is it about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And if you find this information helpful, or maybe you have a question to ask, do it to drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it. Bye for now.